How to fix Xbox Cloud gaming lag. So first thing you want to consider is optimizing your network connection. So make sure you're using a wired connection which provides more reliable and faster connection than Wi-Fi. Then you might want to have a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So if a wired connection isn't feasible, just use a much faster Wi-Fi. Then you might want to try a router placement. So ensure your router is in central location, free from obstructions to maximize the signal strength, and then have a network congestion with close bandwidth, and make sure you have a fast internet speed. Another way to consider the lag is by the device and software optimizations. So if your PC is a low end, close any background apps or any unnecessary applications running in the background. Then if you want to check your device requirements, just go to your system requirements in the settings and make sure you have the right specifications for the Xbox Cloud Gaming. Then you might want to update your software. So if your operating system and drivers are up to date, there should be no problems in the performance issues. And then the browser choice. So Microsoft Edge is often recommended for Xbox Cloud Gaming due to its optimized performance for streaming. And then for low power mode, if your device is disabling power mode save systems, then make sure you have it off and toggled off in order to have the maximum capability of your device. And then addressing specific issues like VPNs, router issues, buffer bloats, and many more. And that's how you can fix Xbox Cloud Gaming lag.